Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Blackview Tab 16 Pro and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list. For example, with the usage of the dialer, it does not really matter, just open your contact list right here. Find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, for example Billy. Then tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. And let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So now all we have to do is to tap on add picture or simply tap on the circle. And here we've got three different categories from which we can choose the photo from. So the device photos, of course, our own gallery and the camera. After tapping on this option, your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Here you can choose the photo from the Google Photos, so those are backed up pictures, and here we've got illustrations which are free of charge and they are available online, so you can find something interesting and then set it as a photo of someone's contact. So that's also quite nice option. I think that this hyena is super cute, so I highly recommend to basically check this option. But I will choose something from the gallery. Let me tap on it. Let's find the photo we would like to use, and now here in this step we can change the position of the photo. We can also change the size of it, so we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on choose, and as you can see here we've got our photo. So if you're happy with the results, just tap on save in the right upper corner, and as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.